Hello everybody. Then show you how to replace a shower head. Uh, this is from Amazon. This is kind of like an unboxing, test, and installation of the Veken rain shower head with handle head. So, all right, it's cut. Comes with a manual. This is I bought this for $39, I think, or 35, one of those price. So I give you how to do it. You need a socket open crescent wrench. Alright, so here's the manual. Here's the tools you need, a wrench. And that's it. I guess just a wrench, I guess. Okay. So take out of the washer, more insulation, the flow restriction insulation. So there's a flow restriction there. If you want to restrict the flow. So this is the shower head. I thought it would be bigger. So this is the rain shower head. And this also comes with the hose. I forgot the length. I think it's 6 feet. I'll leave it on the description below, the length. And here's this hand shower. You can hand shower, so you can hold it. And the base to hold up the hand shower, the wand, or whatever you want to call it. All right, so I'll show you how to just go remove the. Here's the restrictors. I believe this is a restrictor, spare parts. Filters, actually, filters. Alright, so let me remove the old one and let's install this one. Alright, sorry I have to shoot through the sliding glass. So we're gonna remove this one. We're gonna remove this one and this thing here. Right, so this is already loose. It's been leaking water. That's why I'm replacing it. I even put the Teflon over there. It's still leaking. It's easy. Won't take them off. Now I just need to remove this one. Remove that one. Sorry. And put new tape. Take the old one out. If you have a scraper, use the scraper, not this one. Oh, okay. That was easy. Alright, let's put a tape on this one. Don't put any wrinkle. Make sure it's flat. Keep it flat. Okay. Now let's do the installation. You go ahead, tighten this one first. think it's better if I leave it this way? What do you think? So, you think this way is better? This way. I think this way is better. Let's do it this way. The way you can adjust it this way or this way. So, one is to adjust the wall if you want to use the shower head here, or you want to use the hand one. I think this is hand here and hand and the shower head like this. But I'm not sure, so figure that out later. That should be tight. You can always adjust it later. Now let's put the shower head. This one has the rubber gourmet already in there, so I'll do it without a Teflon tape. If it does require one, then I'll put one. Unfortunately, this one doesn't have an extension. If it has an extension, I would put it over my head. Maybe that's why it's cheaper. I should have paid attention when I was ordering it. But I didn't. Let me tighten that. Not too tight, okay? Let me try it. Alright, so let me put this. So the back is the hand, and if you push the lever, okay, no leak. So I just had tightened it. It's not leaking, so we're good. And keep this side dry, the wall dry. I should have done that first. Should have thought of that first before you run the water. So that part is done. So that part is done, there's no leak. All I did was hand tighten that part. Like I said, if there was an extension, it would go over your head, but since I don't have one, it's just gonna be just like that for now. Sadly. Alright, here's the hand shower, it's ready to go. And here's the holder. And there's instructions on the holder itself. Alright, so here's the bracket. Here's instructions in there to make sure the air is clean and dry. Press hard and do not use it for an hour at least. And here's the hand shower. So let's install this one, then we put this one. And make sure that thing is dry. Your wall is dry. So I'm just gonna put it right here. Or right here, yeah. Maybe I should put it here. Yeah, I'll put it on the left side. It's more a flat surface than this one. It doesn't say what orientation, so I think it's the right orientation. Let's see. Will it hold? Oh. Yep. So we'll not use for an hour. So press hard. I'm leaning on it. Now let's install the hand shower. So, like before, left, turn that off, turn it. And hand tighten. And there's an on and off switch here. Is it? Okay. It says on, there's a button here on, off. So I get this off and on. Let me push the lever and pushing it back so the water will only come out here. It's better be, right? There's no leak up here. With this coming out here. Let's see. It says on right now. It pushed to off. And no water coming out. On, off. Alright? So, I'm not gonna put any weight on this one yet. I'll wait an hour. Let me turn the water off. Alright, so pretty much that's how you install this is a Veken, the $39 rain shower, this handle. I kinda wish I bought the one that's longer here, so it goes over my head and just rain down on me. Instead of this one, I have to get closer. But you get what you paid for, 39 bucks or 35. I think I paid 35. I don't remember. Anyway. That's it for this installation and replacement. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I hope this helped you guys, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye. Have a nice day.